Hello, viewers, and welcome to All About Women. Let's talk. Wow, today is a beautiful day. Today is a beautiful day and a wonderful day. And I know that many of you are really enjoying yourself and you are having a great and a wonderful time. Now, today I'm only just going to recap what we discussed earlier on today. Um, so, like we spoke about earlier on today, we'll be talking about DIY organic skincare ingredients. But before we get into that, many of you already know me. It's your girl, Adez. So, as we start, so over the past years, overnight mask for glowing skin has become quite a sensation in skincare regimes. There are reasons why skincare regimes are now included as a sleep mask. Now, the first is the ability to repair itself while you sleep. Enhances if you constantly wear an overnight face mask. Now, you can be rest assured when you wake up to have much softer and smoother skin. So, ladies, as you can see, there are a wide range. So there are a wide range of skincare products, which we now know that it is beneficial to as many of us. There's so many options. There are so many ranges that this is what is explaining here. There's so many ranges, so many options, and ways that our skin can glow, and ways that our skin can glow overnight. So now I'm going to take you into the steps. Now the first step is cleanse thoroughly. So cleanse your face thoroughly. So before applying an overnight mask for glowing skin, cleanse your face with Bio Youth Radiance Face Wash. This is very crucial. This is a very crucial step because if you apply night mask with impurities on your skin, then the results may not be the same as you hoped for. So make sure that you do not apply your skin your mask with impurities. Sorry, my nose, I don't know why it's itching. So now the second step is to pat your face dry. So you pat it. So as you're patting it, you're using a fresh soft cloth. So a fresh soft cloth. Either it can be a cloth or it can be a face flannel. So any of the two. So make sure that you use the soft cloth to pat your skin dry. Then the third step is apply serum. So with the serum, treat your eye area and eye treat your eye area. An eye cream. So in essence, what I'm saying is treat your eye area with eye cream. So now what you will do is that you will apply lactose acid and raspberry ultra hydration boosting face serum. So you apply this all over your face and neck, followed by facial toner. So you apply these two. So you apply the lactic acid then the Raspberry Ultra Hydration Boosting Face Serum, all over your face and neck, and again followed by the toner. So now step four is time to apply sleeping face mask. So now what you would do with the face mask is, just before going to bed, complete the last step by putting on a sleeping face mask. Apply the mask onto your face 30 minutes before you go to bed. It will soak better and prevent the pillow from getting stained. Avoid getting the mask on your lips and delicate areas around the eyes and the mouth. So step five. So step five is to wash. So step five is now to wash with lukewarm water. So after you've used all these face masks that I've mentioned, it's now time to wash it all off. Now again, wash off with lukewarm water. So after waking up in the morning, take off the mask and wash your face with warm water. There awaits your glowing skin to shine all throughout the day. So you see, so after you've used all of these night masks, when you wake up, you take it off and wash your face, and you will see the results. You'll definitely see the results. Now we are now going to talk about how you can use the overnight mask. Now, most people use overnight mask once or twice a week, and it doesn't even get messy. Repeat this method once or twice a week. Once or twice a week, and repeat this method once or twice a week, and wake up and wash off the mask to reveal brighter skin. Then the best overnight mask. The best overnight mask is watermelon mask. So this is simply after you have after you repeat this method once or twice a week, then now you can use oh sorry, my nose is itching. Then you can now use Glow watermelon mask. This is actually one of the best. This is one of the best ones that you can actually use. So now the next one is cream mask. Now this cream mask is peel off mask. So the peel off mask, what you would do is apply a quarter sized amount of bubble mask onto your face. Keep this off your eyes and your lips. So as you're applying it, keep it off your eyes. So even as you're applying it, make sure that you use your hands. This is where you now use your hands. This is where you now use your hands. So keep it away. So simply what I'm saying is, as you're applying it, make sure that you avoid it entering your eyes and your lips. So now the next one is sheet mask. So with the sheet mask, remove the sheet mask from its packaging and unfold it without tearing it. Then secondly, line up the mask with your face shape eyes, nose, and mouth. So line it up and make sure that it sits well. That's simply what I'm saying to you guys. So line it up and make sure it sits very, very, very well. And you will definitely see that it will work out. Now, the next one is clay or mud based mask. Now, with the clay or the mud based mask, dip your finger into the mask and scoop out a quarter-sized amount. Then secondly, spread evenly across your face, starting at the upper neck and working your way up to your face. Then the third is to avoid your lips and your eyes. So this is what you need to do as you're applying these masks with your fingers. Make sure you avoid getting it into your eyes and your lips. Now, the next one is gel mask. So gel mask, what you would do with this is that, as with a cream mask, when using the gel mask, spread an even amount over your face using your fingertips. So again, spread an even amount and make sure that you spread it gently over your face. And again, don't rub it because it will cause irritation. Now, so after you have used all this process, after you've used it all, then rinse off the mask. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and your fingers to gently so rinse it off with lukewarm water and your with your fingers. So as you're doing it, make sure that you're rinsing off with your fingers. So to gently rub the mask. So gently rub the mask off your face. That's simply what I mean. So simply, as you're washing the mask off with your fingers, gently rub it off your face. Then the second is avoid rubbing it. So avoid rubbing your face as you're doing it as well. Then the last but not the least is pat your face dry after rinsing it off. So after you have finished doing all that process, the last one is to pat your face dry after rinsing it off with you can use a soft cloth or you can use a face flannel. But whichever one that you use, make sure that you pat it dry. That way, there will be no irritation. There will be no irritation or anything from going wrong. So anyway, guys, I really hope that this has been beneficial to as many of you. And before I go, please don't fail to subscribe, to comment, to thumb up, do comment and like me, share with your friends and your colleague and as many people as you feel that will benefit from this. Once again, is your girl Adez. See you all tomorrow. Bye.